This short video will focus on the metric system. The metric system is also known as System International, abbreviated as SI. There are many benefits to the metric system. For starters, the metric system is accepted worldwide. There is only one basic unit of measurement for each physical quantity in the metric system. The metric system is based on the number 10, and therefore there is less need for fractions. There are three basic measurements in the metric system. Meter measures length, gram measures weight, liter measures volume. There are 6 metric prefixes to keep in mind and learn: kilo, hecto, deca, deci, centi, and milli. The symbol for kilo is K. It means 1,000 times the base unit. Hecto is symbolized by H, which is 100 times the base unit. Deca is DA, which is 10 times the base unit. Deci is symbolized by D, which is 1/10 the base unit. Centi is C, which is 1/100th of the base unit, and milli is M, 1/1000th time the base unit. An easy way to remember the metric prefixes is by using the acronym King Henry died drinking chocolate milk. The K in King represents kilo, kilometers, kilograms, and kiloliters. The H in Henry represents hecto, hectometers, hectograms, and hectoliters. The D in died represents deca, decameters, decagrams, decaliters. The D in drinking stands for deci, decimeters, decigrams, and deciliters. Chocolate stands for centi, centimeters, centigrams, and centiliters. Milk represents milli, millimeters, milligrams, and milliliters. An example that deals with converting from metric prefixes, we're using 500 grams to kilograms. Remember, G is grams, our base unit for measurement in this problem. Kg is kilograms. Kilo means base times 1,000. The base unit for this problem is 500. To convert to kilograms, we need to move the decimal. Because kilograms is 1,000 times the base, we will move the decimal 3 places to the left. The graph on the bottom of your screen is a great way to see how we will be moving the decimal place from base to kilograms. We will be moving it 3 places over, from deca, which is 50, hecto, which is 5, to finally kilograms, which is 0.5. A similar example would be 10 liters to centiliters. Remember, L is liters, our base unit for measurement. CL is centiliters. Centi means 1/10 times the base. The base unit for this example is 10. To convert to centiliters, we need to move the decimal. Because centiliters is 1/10 the base, we will move the decimal 1 place to the right. On the chart at the bottom of your screen, you can see the move from the base to centiliters, 10 to 100. One question would be, how do you measure length? Think about a pencil. How would you best measure it? It is too small to be measured by a meter, yet too big to be measured in decimeters. Which one would you use? How would you measure volume? Picture a swimming pool full of water. How would you best measure its volume? It's far too large to be measured by a liter, yet too small to be measured using kiloliters. Which one would you use? How would you measure weight? Think about a young child. How would you measure her weight? She is too large to be measured by a centigram, a gram, or even a decagram. What would you use? U.S. customary units are important to know. 1 foot equals 12 inches. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. 1 pound equals 16 ounces. 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. 1 cup equals 8 fluid ounces. 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Here are some metric conversions regarding volume. Take a moment to look at these and write them down. Here are the metric conversions for mass and length. Please take a moment to review these. Here are some metric conversions that have to do with area. Keep in mind that when dealing with area, everything is squared. Inches squared, centimeters squared, meters squared, yards squared, it doesn't matter. Everything that has to do with finding the area in metric conversions is squared. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it.